Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix no notification sound on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. Make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app, click on notification and turn on notification. After turn on notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and reset option. Click on reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.